Sometime in September, something happened in the Wuhan lab.
There were workers falling sick at the Wuhan Institute, and they seemed to be the first people in China that we knew of that fall sick.
And all of a sudden, their database of viruses disappears.
For me, it suggested that an event took place.
And right around the same time, the military takes control of the lab.
There were satellite images taken of parking lots outside all the major hospitals in Wuhan. There was a massive uptick in the number of people who were visiting these hospitals.
And around the same time, the Wuhan military games happens. Teams compete in these events. Many of the people on these teams became sick, and they all flew back to their home countries in what was probably the first super spreader of COVID-19. In December, before the very first report of the pandemic ever happened, there is an information sharing agreement between Moderna, the NIH, and Ralph Barrick's lab to share data related to an mRNA vaccine. 2 days after the genetic sequence is released by the Chinese, the NIH and Moderna sign a landmark deal worth nearly $50 billion.
Moderna shares are trading higher following.
And then Fauci and a group of scientists with critical conflicts of interest directly connected to gain of function, to Wuhan, to spying on China, and to other potential leaks like Ebola, secretly convene, and the scientists in that meeting published 33 science papers and letters saying that there was, quote, no evidence of a lab leak, that it was a conspiracy theory, and that it came from this wet market.
It's interesting because it has jumped species likely from an animal source.
It's beyond suspicious. It's scientific malpractice on a global scale.